Welcome to the main menu of our HOA Excel macro monitoring system. This is the control center where every module is organized into clean, easy-to-access buttons. From here, you can open member records, charge dues, payments, expenses, income, inventory log, inventory reports, financial reports, complaint data, complaint tracker, settings, and HOA bylaws, all with a single click. The goal is to make your HOA workflow simple, fast, and fully automated. Next is the member information form. Here we record complete homeowner details including full name, contact number, phase, block and lot, monthly dues, garbage fees, and status. The search bar allows you to pull up any member instantly. The best part: when you select a member, the system automatically shows their current dues balance and payment history, giving you a real-time view of their account standing. Now let's move to the charge dues form. This user form allows the treasurer or secretary to charge monthly dues and garbage fees to all or selected members. You can charge by month, by date, or by specific billing period. Once posted, the dues are automatically added to the member's balance and recorded in the dues ledger, preventing manual errors and saving hours of work. The dues payment form is where we record payments from members. Just select the member, enter the amount paid, or a number, date paid, and the system automatically updates their account. It ensures accuracy, tracks partial payments, and provides a cleaner financial record for the HOA. For members with outstanding balances, the record payment form handles partial payments, late payments, or full settlement of overdue amounts. This form breaks down the total dues into months, letting you settle them one by one or in full. It keeps your balance sheet always up to date and eliminates manual calculation mistakes. Here we have the expenses entry form. This is used to record all expenses of the whole: maintenance, repairs, utilities, projects, and more. Each expense is categorized based on the list found in the settings sheet, ensuring consistent reporting. You can enter amount, description, date, supporting documents, and the system automatically logs it into the expenses sheet. Aside from dues payments, the HOA may also receive other types of income. The income form lets you record these from rentals, fees, donations, penalties, and other collections. By categorizing income sources, the system makes your monthly financial summary clearer and more transparent for board meetings. The inventory item form is designed to register new supplies, tools, equipment, or materials used by the HOA. Here you can enter item details such as item name, category, unit of measure, and cost. All these categories are pulled from your settings sheet, keeping your inventory list organized and updated. This is the inventory transaction form, the heart of the inventory system. It records all movement of items: stock in, stock out, damage adjustments, and transfers. Every transaction updates the current inventory quantity and keeps a full record of who added or issued the item, the purpose, the date, and the quantity involved. This helps the HOA avoid loss, monitor supplies, and maintain accountability. The inventory reports form shows the types of reports, the current inventory list with updated quantities, and the complete log of all inventory transactions. This gives the board a complete picture of supply status, past usage, and remaining stocks, perfect for auditing and ensuring proper handling of HOA resources. The monthly finance summary combines all financial activities into one dashboard. It displays total dues collected, expenses recorded, additional income, outstanding balances, and net position for the month. This summary is ideal for board meetings because it provides a clear snapshot of the HOA's financial health without manually computing anything. The complaints form records any issues reported by homeowners: noise, maintenance concerns, security, cleanliness, or any HOA-related matter. Each complaint is categorized and time-stamped, making it easier to track patterns and community concerns. This also ensures that complaints are officially logged and not forgotten. For monitoring resolution, we have the Resolve Complaint form. Here we update complaint status, assign personnel, record actions taken, and input resolution dates. The board can easily see which complaints are pending, ongoing, or resolved. This supports accountability and improves the HOA's response to community concerns. And that completes the full walkthrough of the HOA Excel macro monitoring system, a complete, automated, and fully customizable solution designed to help your homeowners association run smoother, faster, and more transparently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow and share on Facebook, and like and subscribe on YouTube for more Excel VBA systems.